So as you know, we normally visit the national sites, but today in Utah, we're making an exception. Welcome to Kodachrome Basin State Park.
When I wake up in the morning, drinking coffee on my balcony.
All right, John, what are we looking at today?
Today we are going on the Panorama Trail. It's a 6-mile loop, easy to moderate hike. We're going to see the cool cave and the secret passage.
So 6 miles is the entire thing, right?
The entire loop.
We are up for it. Absolutely. Panorama Point.
Wasn't a whole lot of enthusiasm, but I know these guys well.
We are down for the challenge.
That was from the heart.
Yep.
They can do it. All right, here we go.
Trees are dancing to the whistle of the wind. Lord, I'm thankful for everything. When it's dark,
So here at America's Parks, we always do our very best to follow the rules. And now with the drone regulations that vary based upon whatever location you visit, it can be kind of challenging in that domain. National parks are a definite no-no. Most BLM lands and national forest drones are permitted. This is a state park, and I've been to a number of state parks, and it basically varies state to state. Drones are permitted here at this state park in Utah if you fill out a permit, or what they're calling an affidavit, before you fly. You also need, if you do fly your drone here, your Part 107 FAA drone license, which I got earlier this year. And by the way, probably one of the hardest tests I've ever taken in my life. One thing I really enjoy about Kodachrome are all the monolithic spires. There's 70 of them here, and the tallest one is 170 feet. We'll see if you can find that one today. So John, you said this is the hat shop. I'm not really seeing too much up there.
Yes, yes. Welcome to the hat shop. You got the cowboy hat over there in the middle, and over here is my favorite one. It's the gnarly snowboarding winter hat.
2 hats at the hat shop.
Yeah, you got a long bill hat right in front of us. How many do you see? You see more hats?
I'm going over to the left. I see a little guy right there.
Yeah, it could be a small hat.
This vlog is coming together. We got some drone footage, GoPro footage. All we need now is a little bit of wildlife footage.
Yeah, I'm looking for a little wildlife right now. Supposedly it's the home to 3 cats. Yeah, you got the coyote, you got the bobcat, and some mountain lions.
Mountain lions are here.
Yeah.
Wow.
But what I'm more nervous of are the snakes.
Any venomous snakes?
Yeah, particularly the 2 rattlesnakes that they have. The Great Basin.
What's the other one?
Rattlesnake. And the midget faded
How do you know all this kind of stuff?
Yeah, yeah. I'm an animal guy. I don't know.
Oh, you are sharp.
A lot of Animal Planet.
You're a great tour guide today, John. John, if I remember correctly, you told me that the shortest spire here was 6 feet. Take about 4 steps to your left. Give me a measurement.
I would say this one is approximately 9 feet and 2 inches. So this is not the smallest one, but it's close. It's one of the smaller ones.
We are so thankful.
It's good height though for a little hoops.
So we are now off the main loop trail, taking a second loop trail called the Secret Passage. There's a gentleman I was talking to that frequently visits this park. He said, definitely don't miss the Secret Passage. If you're flying your drone, you'll get some great footage here. So the Secret Passage was really nice, but the guy who gave me the drone information obviously doesn't own a drone.
Lord, can you give me a little bit of grace? Oh, can you hear me? It's been one of those days. So I'll be waiting down by the riverbanks.
Noticing some large indentations there in the rock. What do you think that is?
Well, there's a theory out there that it is the mountain lions sharpening their claws to get their prey. That is just...
Andrew, what are your thoughts?
I mean, there's also a theory that it's a hand of a human, but there's a lot of them, so...
There's a lot of people that have visited this park that are probably doing a big no-no here, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
That's pretty soft sandstone. It doesn't take much to rub it away.
Change is coming for us all. A change is coming. You can win it in the right direction. You can ask it not to call, but change is coming, coming. The night is coming, coming. Oh, don't be frightened.
So far we came on the Panorama Trail here. Came around, we visited the hat shop, did the Secret Passage loop, and now we're on our way to the Cool Cave loop.
And Cool Cave is the official name, not just one you invented, is it?
No, it is the Cool Cave at the end of...
The park designated name for this
Correct.
Specific location. We're at a lower elevation here, and we were outside middle of October, near the end of the day, and it is really hot at this location. If you want to cool off a little bit, you come into what they call the Cool Cave. It is definitely much cooler. Significant temperature decrease and a nice breeze that's blowing through here as well.
Changes, changes. Change, it changes. Change, it changes.
So this will be our last trail today. It's all on the same trail, a little spur trail off to Panorama Point. We finish this, we've hiked 6 miles. Woo! So we have reached the top of Panorama Point, and they're gonna make you work for this one. But man, oh man, how about those views? Check this out now. pizza. America's Parks has to get pizza at least one night on the trip. What do you think? Utah pizza? Not bad?
Utah pizza. A little chicken bacon ranchero. Not bad.
It's the first time I've ever tried that. I want to know how you guys are doing after eating those sausages that the guy gave you in the parking lot.
I'll tell you tonight at about 3 a.m.
I still can't believe
I was worried about that.
you guys took sausages from a stranger. They weren't even wrapped.
Cold.
Sausages.
And he said they're about to expire.
They're about to expire.
About to expire.
From a total stranger in a parking lot.
He didn't tell us the expire part until after we took a couple bites.
Yeah,
Very brave individuals.
And we threw away the rest.
His accent made him trustworthy though.
Yeah, I might have said just the opposite on that one. All right, from Panorama Point at Kodachrome State Park, we are signing off right now. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to America's Parks, and remember, always room for you on every national park adventure. And for our next Utah video,
If you want me some money, well, now baby, I'll be home.